Right. Back on Venus, it's 872. I want to have a way to pressurize the coolant pipes. This is going to be a bit ugly. Now, how hot are we right now? 130, and not ready yet because there's still pollutant and nitrous in there. I don't want those in the coolant pipes. That would be a disaster. So let's wait a little bit more. The furnace should be empty, yes. Let's get you working. As usual, the first thing that needs to be processed is silicon. But I'm going to start with iron, just because there's more to go through. It's not going to process without any air though. Be 300 iron total. Yes. Yep. Now charcoal. And that should give me the steam. Pressure's too low. There, that's steel. Silicon. Boom. I'll need to get more silicon anyway. Not quite enough, I think. And for those, I don't really need to use the hot air anymore. Let's see if I can make this work while it's pumping out. There. Yeah, silver isn't really used in much. Let's keep you outside. Silicon can go straight into the Atmos printer too. Right. You're cooling down, so you're ready to be used as coolant now. This is not really part of the coolant system, so it shouldn't be connected to cooling anyway. I should have some cables running up anyway, too. Oh, you don't need to be here anymore. No, you do. Ah. You're connected to this guy. Forgot about that. Could I get the cable through here somewhere? No. Just a bit too tight. It's okay. I'm not going to need this all that much. And looking forward, I should start thinking about proper lighting. It's easy to forget that I still rely on the portable light because it's just too good, right? It just isn't any reason to use anything else. At least while I'm alone here. Okay, so the pressure target I have here is something like... Yeah, let's go with 8 megapascals if we can. But take out the labeler. Right, so now there's 900. And the total volume is just at 60. Okay, so I should have more than enough to pressurize this completely. And thinking about that, let's add at least a little bit of extra coolant storage. Not sure about the placement, but I'll deal with that later if need be. Okay. Chemicals are finally starting to run out. Okay. Furnace empty. Let's turn it back to waste gases. Yay. Another IC, and I'll need another IC housing too. Well, I wonder if I could use one of the cheaper options here, but I can't really, right? Why are you active? There's nothing to do. You're supposed to be stopped when there's nothing to do. Is the input empty? Yes, it is. I forgot about the input. Okay. So if the pressure in here is too low, there's nothing to do. Can I still fit that? 2 lines. Steam filtration. That's not what I want. Where's the... No. Yeah, it is. Okay. Sure, inputs. I mean, I don't have to do this. Yeah, let's not do this. It's just done once. Oh, eh. No, you need to be higher than... Well, let's go with 0. That's okay. That should turn you off. Good. Why is there no burning going on? Because I didn't switch back to burning mode, right? So once all of this is finished, I want to get started with the next batch. Okay. That's looking good. Temperature here is still going down. Oh no, it's not. This is the cooling part. Right. This part needs automation too, but I don't have room for that anymore. I do want to keep those empty lines there, where it makes sense at least. Now let's see what I can do better here. So, recycler automation, sure. All of this can go together. You enable the furnace pump. You go to burn when there's no loading. This is volume pump here. I need another volume pump. This is a volume pump, right? Yes. I think so. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a regulator. Okay. And water storage analyzer. So I need to get the temperature in the water storage analyzer, and I need to make sure that there's something to pump in the first place, because the pumps always take power. They're not smart. Yeah. So the first one I care about is the warm water analyzer, and the second one is water storage analyzer. Yeah, I should have called it cold water analyzer. Oh, whatever. N, of course. And what I care about is pressure. When the pressure is bigger than, let's go with 50. Oh, I can go with 100. This needs to be lower than, let's go with 25. Oh, but yeah. 298. And is there something else I need to check? I don't care about the target pressure, I don't think.
Health low.
That's cold water pump, right? No, just water pump. Okay. And I need on R0. Oh, and of course, something like this. Right. Not right? That's wrong. Let's put in here. You're enabled. Temperature is 294. So it should work. Why don't you work? Pressure is higher than 100 and temperature is lower. Oh, you're a liquid analyzer though. Right. Liquid pipe analyzer has a different name, of course. Hey, there's a limit to line length too. Okay. Ah, hey, is this going to work then? Nope. Liquid pipe analyzer. Oh, this is a volume pump too, of course. Oh, liquid pump, I mean. Right? With volume pump, yes. That's also not going to fit, is it? Yeah, good. There we go. And that's not working. Why did this happen again? Water storage analyzer. Temperature needs to be lower. But this should work. What's the problem? Pressure on input needs to be high enough and pressure on output needs to be low enough. Liquid pipe analyzer, water storage analyzer, warm water analyzer. Water storage analyzer, warm water analyzer. And then I just take both of these. Yeah. Oh, this should work. One. So the pressure on input is high enough, that's true. What about the other part? It's the temperature. Yeah. There. Taking the temperature average here. Well, 334. Yeah. So this is supposed to be disabled, and it is now. Why wasn't it disabled before? And looking at this, hundreds might be unnecessarily big. This is 25 degrees. Yeah, so that should be correct. Keep the pressure 50. Should be okay. And one more housing, of course. Solder is running. That solder is easy enough. I do have lead. Do I have any iron left over? I think so. Okay. This should now handle the cooling of the water too. I will want to have a way to disable this, because I want to have time to get this water, which is colder. Right, but anyway, we need to turn you off. This is a waste power. that's looking fine. Coolant is a bit hot, but you should be enabled. Aren't you enabled? Oh. There must be something wrong with what I'm doing there. Or I'm just running out. Maybe the IC can't actually handle all these commands. Oh. Or it might be taking too long. That's also possible. Anyway, that's the end of day 172. So, see you later. Bye.